Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. The Laboratory of Untraditional Psychoanalysis wishes you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. On Christmas Eve, every kid waits that Santa Claus will make his dreams come true. Do you remember how in the childhood you wrote letters to Santa? So why did you stop writing letters to him when you grew up? Any dream can be realized. You can earn $1 billion, set out for incredible work tour, to become a famous writer, to marry a wealthy man, to buy a luxurious house on a sea coast. I can enumerate indefinitely, but I'd better stop. You have your own dream. Now it can be realized. Now it's possible. You can make an unforgettable present for yourselves and to your relatives. The Laboratory of Untraditional Psychoanalysis offers you the most incredible gift. But I'm not gonna tell you what is it. Let it be a kind of surprise. Try to remember how in childhood you having concealed breath opened your Christmas box. And what is there?